Welcome to Dearly Deported, the podcast where we uncover the untold stories of those forcibly removed from the United States and sent back to countries they once called home, or, in many cases, countries they've never truly known. These are not just statistics or headlines. These are real human beings facing uncertain futures, separated from families, communities, and the lives they built in the US. Some were born in America, some were raised here, yet they were sent away to places foreign to them. Through personal interviews, expert insights, and on-the-ground stories, Dearly Deported reveals the impact of deportation beyond politics, the emotional, social, and economic toll on individuals and their countries of return. If you want to understand the human cost of these policies, listen closely. Their voices need to be heard. This is Dearly Deported. Join us on this journey. Their stories are rarely told, but they matter.